about the real student struggles with real emotion and a little bit of chaos. I'm your host, Iim Limatul Huda, and today's episode is honestly very personal for many of us. The title says it all, the Tubal Trauma Stories We Survived Almost. And today, I'm not alone. I'm joined by 5 double survivors, Jackie, Sri, Wike, Salsa, and Hani. Guys, welcome to the podcast.
Hi.
How are you today, guys?
I'm fine.
Okay, first question. How did you feel when you knew you had to take the double? Jackie, let's start with you.
Honestly, I was terrified. I tried to act calm, but inside I'm already stressed out.
Same. I keep telling myself it's just an English test, but deep down I knew it was that simple.
I completely underestimated it. I took my regular English class, it was enough. But spoiler alert, it wasn't.
I watched one Toggle tips in 10 minutes video and thought, yeah, I got it, but big mistakes. I was motivated at first, but once I saw the sample question, my confidence just disappeared.
Okay, now let's talk pain. Which double section hurt the most?
Listening.
Run.
Wow, that was too fast. Why listening?
Because the audio just play once. If you miss one sentence, it's over.
And the speakers talk so fast, like they're being chased or something.
At some point, I stopped listening and just started guessing.
Sometimes I was still thinking about the last question, and suddenly they were already on the next topic.
Structure was also hard, but listening gave me the most stress for sure.
Okay, now let's make it fun. What the most embarrassing or funniest moment during the test?
I clicked wrong answer by accident, and I could change it. I literally froze like.
During the listening section, my stomach growled really loud. I swear, the whole room heard it.
I was super confident about one answer. Then I realized I totally misunderstood the question.
I finished early and then I felt so proud of myself, but then I realized I probably missed half of it.
I kept rereading the same paragraph again and again, and I still didn't understand anything.
Okay, now move to the scariest part, checking the score. What your first reaction?
I stared at the screen for like 30 seconds before I could even breathe.
I forced a smile, but inside I was crying.
I immediately googled minimum TOEFL score for graduation.
I just told myself, at least it's finally over.
It hurt, not gonna lie, but it also motivated me to improve.
Okay, before we wrap up, let's help our listener. What advice would you give to future double test takers?
Don't cram the night before. Start early, especially for listening.
Learn the question patterns, not just vocabulary.
Practice with a timer so you don't panic during the test.
Don't be too confident, but also don't underestimate yourself. And please stay calm, don't be panic, cause panic will be ruin everything.
Well, that's it for today's episode of the Study Talk podcast. From panic attack to funny mistakes. Those were our double trauma stories. We hope this episode make you feel less alone if you are struggling with double right now. Big thanks to Jackie, Sri, Wike, Salsa, and Hani for sharing your stories. And of course, thank you to our listener for tuning in. Remember, double is tough, but you are tougher. I'm Iim Limatul Huda, and this is the Study Talk podcast with our episode Double Trauma Stories We Survived Almost. See you on the next episode, and good luck to all future double fighters. You got this. Bye everyone!